I am on page 14 again, and we have two terms that you will need to know to understand the word problems that are coming up. And the first one is BTU, the initials BTU. And this stands for British Thermal Unit. And is defined as the unit of measurement for heat energy. So it makes sense that if we are dealing with HVAC systems, we would talk about British thermal units, or BTUs. And then another one in the set of problems that you will see is capital CFM, and that stands for cubic feet per minute. So you would read it as cubic feet per minute. And this is a measure of airflow. So you will see these in the word problems that are coming. And I expect that you might see this also in your coursework. This one is British thermal unit, and this one is cubic feet per minute.